Now, of course, if it's a complex number, it means that we can obviously split Zn into xn plus I yn, right? Where this will be the real part of the sequence and this will be the imaginary part of the sequence. Then we say that that Zn will converge to a particular limit if we have that the limit as n tends to infinity of Zn equals L. So in this case, we have said the limit of Zn is L. So if the sequence converges, then to converge to its limit. Now, this is very, very important. Now, in this case, we can also write it in terms of the real part of the sequence and the imaginary part of the sequence, and write it as the limit as n tends to infinity of xn plus Iyn is x plus Iy. Such that, of course, we are saying the real part will converge to x and then the imaginary part will converge to x. It implies that we could write this as the limit as n tends to infinity of xn plus I, the limit as n tends to infinity of yn being equal to x plus Iy. And this is true from our concept of real analysis. So, since, of course, Zn is equal to xn plus yn, and then limit of Zn is equal to L, and we are saying the limit of xn plus Iyn is equal to x plus Iy, then it means that we can say that L, which is the limit of the complex number, or the series of the sequence of complex number, can be equal to x plus Iy, right? Which would mean, of course, that the limit as n tends to infinity of xn is x, the limit as n tends to infinity of yn is y.